If you're looking to get your Xero Advisor certification, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to become certified with Xero and quickly explain the software's powerful features so you can understand exactly why this software is a game changer for small businesses and accountants. Stay tuned till the end, where I'll share an exclusive bonus that you can take advantage of today. First off, what exactly is Xero? It's a cloud-based accounting software designed to help businesses manage their finances more efficiently. It's especially popular among small businesses and accountants because of its user-friendly interface, robust features, and integration with numerous third-party apps. But why should you get Xero Advisor certified? Xero Advisor certification is essential if you want to prove your expertise with the platform and position yourself as a trusted advisor for businesses using Xero. Whether you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or financial professional, this certification can unlock opportunities and boost your credibility. Now, to become certified, let's break it down into simple steps. First, head over to the Xero website and sign up for their Xero Advisor certification program. This is the official certification that will give you the badge to display your knowledge. The registration is completely free. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to the Xero Advisor certification course. This course is packed with valuable content to help you understand the software's features, including how to manage clients, handle their bookkeeping, and utilize Xero's financial reporting capabilities. The course is divided into modules, and each one focuses on a specific aspect of the software. These modules are designed to be easy to follow, even if you're new to accounting software. They cover everything from setting up a new Xero account, invoicing, managing payroll, and even handling taxes. After completing the course, you'll need to pass a short test that covers the material. The test is straightforward, but make sure you take the time to really understand each topic. It's important to know Xero inside and out if you want to become a certified expert. Now here's the key part. You'll receive your certification once you pass the exam, and you'll be added to the Xero Advisor directory. This is where businesses looking for an expert in Xero will find you, so your certification will really start to pay off by driving new clients to your practice. What sets Xero apart from other accounting software is its seamless cloud integration, ease of use, and powerful tools like automatic bank feeds, customizable invoices, and real-time financial reporting. These features make it ideal for businesses looking to streamline their accounting processes and improve their financial management. But here's the best part. You can get started with Xero for completely free. Yes, you heard that right. If you click the first link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial. That means you can explore all the features of Xero and get hands-on experience before committing to a paid plan. If you're serious about gaining Xero Advisor certification and growing your accounting skills, this offer is a great way to dive in without any risk. Make sure to take full advantage of the trial and dive into the software to practice before you take the certification exam. In conclusion, getting your Xero Advisor certification is a fantastic way to enhance your career, boost your credibility, and gain the skills to manage finances for businesses efficiently. With the exclusive free trial linked below, there's no reason not to start today. The certification process is easy, and once you're done, you'll be ready to showcase your expertise to clients. So don't wait. Start exploring Xero and grab that certification to show businesses you mean business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Xero journey.